Right, this one all about circles. Okay, what does the letter A represent? A is all the way across, so that is the diameter. What does the letter B represent? Well, that's the radius. C, what should we call that? The center. D is the circumference. That's fair enough so far. Fair enough so far. Right. Pause, have a go. Right, what are we going to do? 3.14. Find the diameter of a circle, radius 1 meter. Diameter. Well, diameter is twice as big as the radius. So therefore, the diameter is 2 times 1, which equals 2 meters. The radius of a circle with a diameter of 10, the radius is going to be 10. Now divide by 2, which equals 5 centimeters. The circumference of a circle with a radius of 3. The circumference is equal to, well, that's it's not that, is it? It's not that. Come on, come on, come on. A formula to remember. A formula to remember. Right, the circumference is pi d with a radius of 3, so the diameter is going to be 6, so it's going to be pi, which is 3.14 times 6. Of course, we can use the calculator now. 3.14 times 6 is going to be 18.84 centimeters. The circumference of a circle with a diameter, C equals pi d, which is 3.14 times 28 this time. So 3.14 times 28 is 87.92 centimeters. The area of a circle with a radius of 0.5. Now the area is pi r squared. So this is going to be 3.14 times r squared, which is 0.5 squared. 0.5 squared. Now if you haven't got squared on your calculator, just do 0.5 times 0.5, which is exactly what I'm going to do. 3.14 times 0.5 times 0.5, and that equals 0.785 meters squared. The area of a circle, area equals pi r squared. Diameter is 2, therefore the radius is 1. So it's 3.14 times 1 squared. Well, 1 times 1 is 1, so the answer is 3.14 kilometers squared. The radius of a circle, right, let's come down to there. The radius of a circle with a circumference of 314. Circumference, radius. Right, okay, so circumference equals pi d. So we know the circumference, 314 equals 3.14 times d. So we divide that. So we've got 314 divided by 3.14 equals d. That's 100. So 100 equals d. The radius is half of that, so it's 50 meters. The area of a circle with a circumference of 628. So the area equals pi r squared. Oh, circumference. So we've got to work out the radius first, haven't we? Circumference equals pi d. So circumference is 628 equals 3.14 times d. So 628 divided by 3.14 equals d. And that's going to be times 10 times 100 times 200. So D equals 200, therefore R equals 100 millimeters. Now we've got to find the area. So the area equals pi R squared. Now R is 100. So the area then equals 3.14 times 100 squared, which is 3.14 times 1 that. So 3.14 times 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 is 314,000 millimeters squared. Oh, that was quite an involved one. All right. Find the circumference of the circles below. Circumference. So C equals pi d, which is 3.14 times, that's the radius, so the diameter is 10, which equals 31.4 centimeters. C equals pi d, which is 3.14 times 1, which is 3.14 centimeters. C equals pi d, which is 3.14 times 88. So 3.14 times 88 is 276.32 millimeters. Another one. C equals pi d, which is 3.14 times twice that, 240 meters, which equals 3.14 times 240, which is 753.6 meters. Okay. Find the area of the circles below. So the area equals pi r squared, which is 3.14 times radius is 6 squared. So 3.14 times 6 squared is 36. So that is 113.04 centimeters squared. Area equals pi r squared. Keep writing this down until it sticks in your memory. So 3.14 times 9 squared, that's 81, isn't it? So 3.14 times 81 is 254.34 millimeters squared. Area equals pi r squared, which equals 3.14 times 126 squared. So 3.14 times 126 squared is 49850.64 meters squared. Next one. Part area equals pi r squared, 3.14 times half of 99. Right, 99 divided by 2 is 49.5. 49.5 squared. 3.14 times 49.5 squared equals, there's a square button on your calculator you can use as well, 7693.785 millimeters squared. Right, what else have we got? What else have we got? Oh, a big circle. Here's a farmer's field. Right, sheep need 250 square meters each to be reared effectively. How many sheep can the farmer rear? Right, so we want to find the area of that. So area equals pi r squared, which is 3.14 times 90 squared, which equals 3.14 times 90 squared is 25434 meters squared. Now, find out how many sheep. So we need 25434 and divide it by 250. Divide that by 250. So that is 101.736. So we'll have to round it down to 101 sheep. Cows need 350. How many cows can the farmer have? So same field, 25434, divide by 350 this time. So 25434 divided by 350 is 72.668. Round it down, 72 cows. Right. Below is a clock face mounted onto a square wall. Right. What's the area of the clock face? Now, if this is 3 for there to there, so in the middle to there will be 1.5 meters. Yeah, it's halfway. So the area of the clock face is the area equals pi r squared, which is 3.14 times 1.5 squared. So 3.14 times 1.5 squared, which is 7.065 meters squared. What's the area of the wall? That's everything, yeah? So that's just going to be 3 times 3, which equals 9 meters squared. The area of the shaded region is going to be the wall. Take away the clock. So this is going to be 9 minus 7.065, which is 1.935 meters squared. That's it. Okay, so there you go. There's circles. Oh, that's a good one. I like circles. Okay, see you in the next.